Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph, and today I want to talk about carpet cleaners for dogs. So first I want to identify the type of messes that might happen with dogs. So I'm going to call the first one bathroom issues. Then I'm going to say the second one I'm going to call protein spill. I think you can figure out what that is. And number 3 I'm going to call like dirty messes, so like dirty paws, things like that. And so I want to identify that because when I got my first dog, Mac, 3 years ago, she didn't have any bathroom issues. Her biggest issue was like every now and then she'd have a protein spill and that was it. She didn't really have messy paws or anything like that. So I got this right here, this carpet cleaner. This is actually a battery-powered carpet cleaner made by Hoover, which we're really big fans of. It works really well, especially for things that haven't really soaked into the carpet. So like dirty paws or a protein spill, this is really good for cleaning that up. And this is really easy. You can clean all the components really nicely on this, so you can keep the machine clean between cleaning up dog messes. So this is great for that. But then a year ago, I got a second dog, and she has, well, we'll say some bathroom issues, and we're working on that. But in the meantime, we got to clean those up. So most of my house is actually a hard floor, but I do have 2 rooms of carpet, and oh my goodness, that's where she chooses to have her little issues. So this just was not cutting it because they were too frequent, and it was too much work for me to try to clean those up with this machine. So I invested in this machine right here. And this is under $100, pretty expensive, from Amazon. This is actually a plug-in version. They don't make a battery-powered, unfortunately, of this, but this is a plug-in version, and this worked really well. It uses heat also to dry the carpet as it's like sucking everything up, which is nice. But what I didn't like about this is where the dirtiness goes after it's sucked out of the carpet. This little thing right here, you can't clean it. So there's only one little spot here where you can pour the dirty stuff out, and then you can pour some clean water in, but there's really no way of getting this super open to clean it. And the brush area is not very easy to clean either. You have to kind of unscrew it, and it's kind of a lot of work. So I was not super happy with this in being able to clean it, basically. It worked well, but they were so frequent. The bathroom issues with my dog were so frequent, and because my dogs are pretty big, they were pretty big messes. So this was kind of annoying to clean. Also, where the cleaner goes, you put a solution of the cleaner and then you put water in. So if you didn't use the whole container of cleaner, you'd have to kind of throw it out. So I was looking for another solution because I was realizing I was just having more bathroom issues that I needed to make sure we're clean, because that is the worst, is that smell in your house. So I found this. This is, again, another product by Hoover, because we are happy with the Hoover brand. But I got this, and this is definitely more expensive than this version right here. But every single component can come apart and be clean, and that was the key for me. This again uses the same kind of heat technology as the more inexpensive version. But what's nice about this is it sucks everything up. You also have a dedicated compartment for the cleaner, and then it mixes with the water. So if you don't use all the cleaner, you can just pour it back into the container, and you can keep the rest of the cleaner, so you don't have to waste some of it, which is nice. But I've used this a handful of times now, and I've been really happy with it. It actually has 2 brushes on it. It cleans really well. It has some more advanced features than this one, so you can use the cleaner, then you can just use the dry feature, so it's no water, just it dries. And so I feel like this one does a really, really good job, and I definitely like that you can get everything clean on it. They do make a pet version of this, and I did some research, and it looks like the vacuum itself is exactly the same as this one and the pet version, but the pet version comes with some other little components for cleaning furniture and things like that. But I already had this, so if I needed to clean furniture, I could do it with this one. My dogs don't really leave messes on furniture. My biggest issue is with my dog Tosh is the carpet, and so that's why I thought this one was all I needed. And again, I've been really happy with it, but I wanted to kind of share my journey because other people might have those kind of issues. But I'll put links to all of these because these are all good for different reasons and for different kinds of messes and frequencies. But ultimately, when I move one day, I will probably get the carpets professionally cleaned, because that's the best way of going about cleaning the carpets. Which we actually did a video with a professional carpet cleaner, which I'll put a link to in the description below, so you can kind of check out how that works. So thanks for joining us. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments, and you can always visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. All right, thanks for joining. Bye.